Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the heart of Jamaica's natural pharmacy, the world of bush medicine. Long before modern hospitals and pharmacies, Jamaicans relied on the island's incredible biodiversity for healing. Let's explore this powerful tradition that's still thriving today. Jamaica's bush medicine tradition is not just a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people, but a living, breathing part of their cultural heritage. It's a fusion of diverse knowledge passed down through generations, a thread that connects Jamaicans to their ancestors and the natural world. In the 18th and 19th centuries, enslaved Africans brought their deep understanding of plant medicine, combining it with the local wisdom of the Taino people and some European herbalism. This blending of cultures created a unique healing tradition that's distinctly Jamaican. It's a beautiful example of how adversity can lead to innovation and the preservation of ancestral knowledge. Picture this: families gathering around the fire, brewing fragrant teas from leaves, roots, and bark. These weren't just drinks. They were powerful medicines. Imagine the stories shared and the secrets whispered as elders taught the younger generation which plants to use and how to prepare them. This oral tradition kept the knowledge alive, even when written records were scarce. Now, it's our turn to carry this torch and ensure the survival of this invaluable knowledge. This reliance on nature wasn't just practical, it was spiritual. Many believed that plants held a special energy, a connection to the earth that could heal both body and soul. In Jamaican culture, the concept of balance is crucial. Bush medicine isn't just about treating symptoms, it's about restoring harmony within the body and the natural world. Let's meet some of Jamaica's miracle plants that have stood the test of time, providing healing for centuries. Sassy. This bitter vine is a powerhouse. It cleanses the blood, supports the liver, and is still used today for diabetes and skin conditions. It's like nature's detox. Sassy tea is a common sight in Jamaican households. Its distinctive taste might make you grimace, but its benefits are worth it. Fever grass or lemongrass. Feeling under the weather? Fever grass is your go-to. It reduces fevers, calms upset stomachs, and makes a delicious, soothing tea. The lemony scent of fever grass is instantly recognizable. It's not just medicinal. It's also used in cooking, adding a zesty flavor to soups and marinades. Bissy, or cola nut. Need a boost? Bissy is a natural stimulant and pain reliever. Its energizing properties were highly valued by workers back in the day. Bissy has a rich cultural significance. It's often used in traditional ceremonies and is believed to have protective properties. Aloe vera. Sunburn, cuts? Aloe to the rescue. Its soothing gel heals the skin and is a staple in skincare products worldwide. In Jamaica, you'll often see aloe plants growing in people's yards. It's like having a first aid kit right outside your door. Guava. This tropical fruit isn't just tasty. It's packed with vitamin C and is used for coughs, diarrhea, and wound healing. Guava leaves are particularly potent. They're often brewed into tea to treat digestive issues. Peppermint. Ah, the refreshing scent of peppermint. It's calming, aids digestion, and is still used in teas and aromatherapy. Peppermint isn't native to Jamaica, but it's been embraced wholeheartedly into the local bush medicine tradition. But wait, there's more. Let's explore a few additional plants that play crucial roles in Jamaican bush medicine. Soursop. This spiky green fruit isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. The leaves are often brewed into tea, believed to have anti-inflammatory and even anti-cancer properties. Neem. Known as the village pharmacy in many cultures, neem has found a home in Jamaica. Its leaves and oil are used for everything from skin conditions to dental care. Coconut. We can't talk about Jamaica or Caribbean healing without mentioning the coconut. Its water is nature's electrolyte drink, while the oil is used for skin care and as a natural remedy for various ailments. Jamaica's bush medicine tradition is alive and well. It's not just a thing of the past. It's evolving, blending ancient wisdom with modern science. Today, you can find traditional remedies alongside modern medicines. Some herbalists even work with doctors to provide holistic care, combining the best of both worlds. This integration isn't always smooth. there's an ongoing dialogue about how to incorporate traditional knowledge into modern healthcare systems best while ensuring safety and efficacy. Did you know that many of the active ingredients in our pharmaceuticals originated in plants? This proves the wisdom of our ancestors and the power of nature's medicine. For example, the pain reliever aspirin was originally derived from willow bark. Who knows what other medical breakthroughs might be hiding in Jamaica's forests? This tradition isn't just about healing. It's about respecting the environment and honoring the Earth's gifts. It's about sustainability and a deep connection to nature. Bush medicine teaches us to see the world differently. Every plant, every leaf could be a potential remedy. It encourages a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. The practice of bush medicine also highlights the importance of community in Jamaican culture. Knowledge is often shared freely among neighbors. If someone is sick, it's common for people to offer advice or share remedies from their own gardens. This communal approach to healing strengthens social bonds and ensures that valuable information is preserved and passed on. However, it's important to note that bush medicine, like any medical tradition, has its limitations. Not all traditional remedies have been scientifically proven. Some may be harmful if misused. It's crucial to approach bush medicine with respect and caution, ideally under the guidance of experienced practitioners. The goal should be to integrate the best of traditional and modern medicine, creating a holistic approach to health and wellness. Jamaica's bush medicine is more than just plants. It's a cultural heritage, a way of life. It's about respecting the wisdom passed down through generations and staying connected to our roots in an increasingly modernized world. Have you ever tried bush medicine? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. Maybe you have a family recipe for a special healing tea or a memory of a grandparent using a particular plant remedy. These personal connections keep the tradition alive. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Impacting Jamaica, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Your engagement helps us continue exploring Jamaica's rich cultural tapestry. Remember, while bush medicine is fascinating, consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Let's celebrate this incredible tradition while prioritizing safety and well-being. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of Jamaica.